Hey gamers, it's Kristin and I have a Fab Fit Fun box for you. This is the spring of Fab Fit Fun box. As you guys know, they send me this box. This is not a sponsored video. They don't pay me to do this. They just send me the box full of goodies that I get to share with you guys. This is a seasonal box. It comes out once a quarter and it sells for $50. I do have a coupon code listed below. I do get a little spiff if you use that code. If you don't want to, that is absolutely fine. I completely understand. But I'll list it below and you get $10 off if you use that code. Either way, whatever works for you. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited to see what is in this one. I said before, I always enjoy this box. This is, I didn't even show you. This is what, that is what the Fab Fit Fun box looks like. I always enjoy this box because there are things in it that I just wouldn't think of getting for myself usually, and I love that. And I don't think there's been a box where I haven't used something from it. Well, there's some of the, I feel like once we got like these things, like yoga socks for your, like your toes could stay. I don't necessarily appreciate that. But the rest of the things. So you always get a little magazine. It's a nice quality magazine, sort of newspapery thing that tells about all of the items that are in here. So first thing here is HelloFresh, $50 off your, or it's actually, it says $50 off, but it's $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. I've thought about doing that here. Maybe when I'm home for a full week, we might do that. And we're gonna open this up and get going here. The first product is by ISH, and it is a lip statement palette. These are fun to play with. I don't love a lip palette in general because I feel like it's hard to like throw in your bag and reapply later, you know what I'm saying? So this is what it looks like. It has, we'll take off the very satisfying removing of the thing that is now attached to me. I tell you. On the back of this, it says hashtag I'm smoking hot. Okay. All right, so there are the shades, and it comes with a little brush as well, so you can apply on the go. And it's not huge, but it is, I don't know, so we'll see. They are, like I said, they're always fun to play with when you are sitting in your vanity, putting on makeup and wanting to create kind of your own lip, but they're tricky to travel with. It did come in a little protective cloth bag as well. I just wanted to show that. This next thing says Maya Brenner on it. It's a blue little suede pouch. And I honestly can't tell if it's a bracelet or an anklet. So I will have to, I'll look and I'll list it for you. But it's very, very pretty, nice and dainty. So that'll be fun either way. I think it's a bracelet. Anklets aren't really all the rage these days, are they? The next thing in here is, this says Rachel Pally, P-A-L-L-Y. So again, this is kind of a cloth bag dust cover sort of thing. Oh, it's a clutch. Oh, how pretty is that, you guys? So I think you could use that as a clutch, you know, like a fold over clutch like that. Or you could use it, I suppose you could use it for a makeup bag, or you could use it for all kinds of things. There's a nice little inside pocket down there as well. Really, really nice. Feels like nice quality. Fun. I love that. And the clothes thing is a little tassel. I'm going to leave that on there for now, but very fun. I love that. And I don't know that I mentioned this at the beginning. Now I kind of forget what I say at the beginning as I start going through, but it's usually like $300 value in this for 50 bucks or 40 if it's your first time and you're using, I'm going to set this over here, and you're using somebody's code. This is by Free People, and it says with love from Texas, and it looks like, interesting, it feels like leather right here, and so it's an eye mask, like a sleep mask, right? Very cool. I don't know if you could, it kind of feels squishy on the inside. So I just looked it up. It says the Free People Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Mask. This vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable straps offer the perfect fit, blah, 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 blah. So, interesting. Let me just see. Oh yeah, so you can pull this back, and this on the inside, there's a little thing there that you can stick in the refrigerator and stick this in, and then, you know, use a little cooling to depuff those eyeballs. All right. Oh boy. I feel like I'm gonna have to, again, certainly something I would never buy for myself. It says, oh, it's a massage roller. Serious results, serious relief. It's by Physique 57. And it says it does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, breaks up scar tissue, keeps tender muscles at bay. In just 5 to 10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. So there you go. I don't know how you would reach anything. Like, I guess I could kind of, well, maybe. Seriously. This is why I love this box. You just never know what you're gonna get. So this looks like a candle by Anderson Lily. It kind of got some of the wax on it in transit, so I'm just wiping it off. Look how pretty that container is. A really pretty copper container. And mine is the sunset, no, it's fresh linen. So it says mandarin orange, kaffir lime, I don't know what that is, kaffir lime, clover, white tea, lavender, sandalwood, patchouli, tonka bean, some other word I can't pronounce. It smells really good. What I can't tell is if it's soy. It doesn't say, I can't tell, so it's probably not. Usually soy candles will say that they're soy candles, but I love that. It smells really nice and fresh, so that would be great coming into spring. Makes sense why they would include it. This is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. And you know, one of the things I forgot in my favorites this year was this Murad Moisturizing Toner that I've been loving. I've repurchased it 3 times already. And so I'm interested to try a few more things from the line. And this is, like I said, it says Skin Perfecting Lotion and it says Hydrate. So it's number 3. So we'll give that a shot. Always interesting to try other things. This says Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. Oh, I was just gonna say, it sounds like something that would be for natural nails. So I will pass that along to somebody that has some natural nails, or I'll stick it in my ongoing giveaway package over there. All right, next is by Korres, and this is the Guava Body Butter. I'm not sure I said that so funny. It's Guava Body Butter. And let me just see if I can get a little sniff on this. It's a protective. Oh, that smells good. It smells like vacation. Maybe I'll take it on a vacation I finally actually planned. Anyway, love that. It smells good. I love the smell of it. I should say I don't know how I will like the product, but I'll report back. And then every once in a while they'll throw in like a bonus little, like a sample sort of thing. Otherwise everything is always full size in it. And this is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. It says crushed macadamia and rice milk and that it's new. And I'm trying to see here. Let me get it out of its package. Interesting. I expect it, oh I see, okay. It definitely is like a one-time use sort of thing, which will be great for travel. And I'll let you know when I can't open it and smell it because then it would be open. So I'll let you know what I think about that. So that is everything that is in this season's Fab Fit Fun box. Like I said, I really like the stuff. That clutch is amazing. I'd reach down and grab it. This is really fun. Something I never would have thought to get for myself. And the candle, I just, you know, good stuff in here, good stuff. I'm really, like I said, I'm really excited to try that. So, all right, so I will tell you guys what is on my face today. Same base as I have been wearing. On my cheeks, I am wearing the MAC blush in At Dusk, which is one of their In Dimension blushes. And on my eyes, I am wearing the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. And then on my lips today, I have nope, that's not true, Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Over the top of that, I have a Laura Mercier lipstick in Sensual, which looks like this. And then to add a little shine, I have the Buxom Gloss in Celeste. And I think that that's everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're having a great day, and in everything that you do and say, be beautiful. Bye.